Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Cooking with the Robies. Today I will making a beef caldereta. So this is all our ingredients. Beef, I already cut the beef into cubes. Sprite, black pepper, lemon, soy sauce, tomato paste, tomato sauce, liver spread, cheese, nor cubes, butter, and for our vegetables we have garlic, onions, potatoes, carrots, and bell pepper. I already cut them, so it's ready for them to fry later. So what I'm gonna do first is to marinate the beef with these ingredients: Sprite, soy sauce, black pepper, and lemon. So let's start marinating these babies. Start making our marination. Soy sauce. Just put everything in there. Sprite. Just have to eyeball, no measurement. Black pepper, and lemon. Have to add our beef. Marinate this for 30 minutes if you're rushing, but you can marinate this for 3 to 4 hours. Welcome back. It's been 4 hours, so let's start making beef caldereta. So on my pan, I put this organic extra olive oil. Put garlic and onions. And egg beef. Next is to put the liver spread. Beef nor cubes, tomato paste, and then your tomato sauce. Add the sauce. Let it cook for 1.5 hours until the meat is tender. It's been 1 hour, so I gotta add now my bell pepper. Smell good. Next, to add my butter. Add my butter. Smell good already. And also, I'm putting sugar on this. It's just depend on you guys if you're gonna put sugar on your caldereta. I just wanna put it because to balance the taste. I just wanna put 1 tablespoon. Potatoes and carrots. Then I'm gonna add black pepper. Look at that. The last part is to put our cheese. My beef caldereta. Taste the food. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cooking with the Robies.